Hey guys, another company, one of our favorites, Mean Green. They're unveiling their 36-inch Fury mower. Really cool mower. I don't know the price point, but I think it's close to 25K. 5-year warranty, battery and tool, I believe, but it might only be 1,500 or 2,000 hours. I don't know which. But very cool looking machine. Basically like the Vanquish, but a 36-inch version. You just got the hub wheel motors, got the upgraded, really powerful blade motors. It has a lot of speed. I think it mows at 10 plus miles an hour. It's really fast like the Vanquish, but very good design, very cool. And there it is.